Changing your XChange Retractor graphic is quick and easy. Open the retractor door using the release buttons located on both sides of the base. Pull up on the snap rail and begin to roll your graphic. Halfway through rolling your graphics, press the tension release button. Continue rolling up your graphic until you've reached the end. Push the tension release button again. Lay rolled up graphic to the side. Slowly slide out the banner strip located on the bottom of the graphic from the retractor roller. Once banner is removed, set to the side. To install a new graphic, line up the banner strip in the grooves of the retractor roller. Slowly push along the grooves until banner strip end is flush with the roller. Shut the retractor door. Increase banner tension by turning the tension knob clockwise until banner is completely retracted into the base. This may take numerous turns. Banner install is now complete and you are ready to move on to kit assembly. The kit assembly for your XChange Retractor is quick and easy. Begin by removing all parts from the convenient carry case. Assemble the shock-corded telescoping pole and insert into the hole opening on the base. Pull up on the banner snap rail and insert it onto the telescoping pole connector hook. Open the adjustment clamp and raise graphic to full height. Close the adjustment clamp. You are now ready to utilize the marketing power of the XChange Retractor.